Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you UKQ, UK approved, International Certificate in AutoCAD Electrical course. At the end of this course, you will be able to draw maps for all facilities, make electrical wiring for each map, and design an electrical panel that controls all the electrical installments of a facility. Plus, you will be able to draw a 2D design from scratch. We will start with an introduction about AutoCAD and how to download it, then we will learn the basics of 2D drawings, including all the tools like lines, polylines, circles, offset, trim, fillet, chamfer, and more, and we will create advanced 2D shapes as exercises. Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-5056-755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999-937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at training@iitpakistan.com.pk.